Mastering coordinating conjunctions, the power of commas. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a crucial area of English grammar. We're going to explore the magical world of coordinating conjunctions and specifically focus on comma usage with them. Let's make those commas work for us, shall we? Before we dive into the world of commas, let's remind ourselves what coordinating conjunctions are. They are simple words that connect sentences, clauses, or phrases of equal grammatical importance. Remember our friends fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Yes, these are the most common coordinating conjunctions. The comma is more than just a little mark on the page. It's a powerful tool that can completely change the meaning of a sentence. With coordinating conjunctions, commas help us separate different elements of a sentence and make our meaning clear. Remember, punctuation saves lives. The difference between "let's eat, grandma" and "let's eat grandma" is a powerful reminder of that. Now let's dive into the main topic. The basic rule is that when you use a coordinating conjunction to join two independent clauses, you should place a comma before the conjunction. For example, I love playing basketball, but I also enjoy watching it on TV. But when we connect two items of a shorter compound structure, like two words or short phrases, no comma is needed. For example, she wants to study medicine or law. Exceptions exist in English grammar, and our case is no different. Sometimes, even when you're connecting two independent clauses, you might leave out the comma if the clauses are both short and closely connected. For example, she ran and she hid. However, it's generally safer to include the comma if you're in doubt. It's important to mention that yet and so can also act as adverbs. If they are used as adverbs, no comma is used. For example, he was tired yet refused to sleep. I was hungry so grabbed an apple. We've journeyed through the landscape of commas and coordinating conjunctions. Remember, the comma is a small but mighty tool in our writing, and when used correctly with coordinating conjunctions, it clarifies our thoughts and gives power to our expressions. It's been wonderful exploring this topic with you today. Keep practicing, and you'll master these rules in no time. Happy learning!